Welcome to our lesson on modals. Today, we'll focus on the modal verbs can, may and must. Let's take a look at some flashcards to understand how they work in different situations. I can swim. We're talking about something we're able to do. It expresses ability. This one expresses permission. You're asking if something is possible or allowed. This shows a possibility. It means something is possible, but not guaranteed. Take a moment to study these cards. Next, we'll complete the missing words based on the images shown. I can type 50 words per minute. What is the function of can here? It shows ability. Can I ask a question? What is the function of can here? It's a request for permission. Snake bite can be fatal. In this case, can shows possibility. It's something that could happen. We use may to talk about possibilities that we expect to take place now or in the future, and we also use it to ask for permission or make a request. When you say may I, you are making a request for something. This is asking for permission. You are seeking approval to leave before the usual time. This shows possibility. It's something that could happen, but it's not certain. Take a moment to study these cards. Now, let's complete the missing statements based on the pictures. You may go home after finishing your work. What's the function of may here? It shows permission to leave once the task is complete. She must be in the office now. What's the function of may here? It expresses possibility. May I borrow your car? Here, may shows a request for permission. Match it with another card that shares the same function. Next, let's talk about must, a modal verb used to indicate obligation or something that is very important or necessary for something to happen. We also use it to express possibility or prohibition. Here's an example: I must wear a helmet while riding my bike. This shows obligation. It's something you must do for your safety. Now, we see, she must be his teacher. This shows possibility. You're making a logical assumption about the person. And here we have, you must not park your car or bike in a no parking area. This is a prohibition. It means you are not allowed to park in certain areas. Take a moment to study these cards. Now, let's complete the missing statements based on the pictures. I must water the plants. The function of must here is obligation. It's something that needs to be done. He must be a doctor. The function of must here is expressing possibility, it's a logical guess.
Life jackets must not be removed. Here, must not shows prohibition, indicating something that is not allowed.
Well done. Now you've got a better understanding of how can, may, and must function in different contexts. Keep practicing to master these modals.